Hi friends, welcome back to Neema's Tips and Tricks. I hope you guys are fine and are enjoying my videos. Today, let's make a special dish, Oriental Chicken Balls. So come, let's get started. If you like my video, then please support me by subscribing to my channel and also do give a thumbs up. Now, let's have a look at the ingredients to make our Oriental chicken balls. Vinegar, half tablespoon. Sugar, half tablespoon. Black pepper powder, 1 1/4 teaspoon. Crushed black pepper, half tablespoon. Red chili flakes, half tablespoon. Garlic, half cup. Soya sauce, 1 tablespoon. Corn flour, 1 1/2 tablespoon. Refined flour or maida, 2 to 3 tablespoon. Onion, chopped, 1. Coriander leaves, few. Egg, 1. Chicken stock, 1 bowl. Salt to taste. Boiled and minced chicken with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 200 grams. Coconut oil as required. Onion and bell peppers, 1 cup each, and pineapple cubes, 4 to 5. Into this minced chicken, let's add egg, chopped onion, salt as needed, 1 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Let's blend it together. Now, using this, let's make small chicken balls. Make sure to wet our hands and make chicken balls. Chicken balls are ready. Now add maida to this ball. Let's make a paste by adding enough water. Next step is to heat oil to fry our chicken balls. Our oil is hot enough. Let's dip chicken balls into this mixture and fry it. It's fried very well. Let's keep it aside. Chicken balls are fried and ready. Let's make sauce. Now drop onions into this hot oil. Saute it very well. Add garlic. And drop in all the bell peppers. Saute it again. Now let's add corn flour into this stock and mix it well. And pour it into the pan. It's boiling very well. Into this, let's add soya sauce, vinegar, crushed black pepper, red chili flakes, sugar, and combine it together. Add pineapple cubes and salt to taste and mix it again for a minute. Now let's add our fried chicken balls into this sauce. And combine well. Let's garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. It smells so good, and our Oriental chicken balls are now ready to plate. So friends, our dish is now ready and my mouth is watering. Do try it and post your comments in the comment section below. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.